Natasha would hold a seance, calling forth help from the spirit world in her creative undertaking. Then, pencil and paper in hand, she would go into a trance and start writing. After her outpourings were typed up, they were brought to the set the next day and given to the director.
Almost overnight, unbridled sexual promiscuity, once considered sinful, was now redefined as exciting, popular, and trendy. When millions of Valentino's fans watched his movies and surrendered to the lustful passions they incited, they were responding to stories and messages that came from demons. The Valentinos were initiated into what is called automatic writing in the occult, when the pen in a person's hand will write out information from a spirit, yet the person is in an altered state of consciousness, rendering them incapable of fully knowing the communication until it is completed. The Valentinos wrote,
"The more we investigated this remarkable gift of automatic writing, the more convinced we became of the great truth which lay behind it. The truth of evolution and the truth of communication with the so-called dead."
God forbids contact with the dead and condemns those who engage in such practices.
Be very careful not to imitate the detestable customs. For example, do not let your people practice fortune-telling or sorcery, or allow them to interpret omen or engage in witchcraft, or cast spells, or function as mediums or psychics, or call forth the spirits of the dead. Anyone who does these things is an object of horror and disgust to the Lord.
The Valentinos drew many of their starstruck fans into the satanic teachings of